3, go. Ba ba da ba 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 da ba da ba da ba ba da ba da ba. Chem safety video. Ba ba da ba ba da ba ba da ba ba ba. Ba ba da ba da ba 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 ba.
All right, Tom.
Ba da 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 da. This is Mr. Wallace's Chem class, and in case you haven't realized, in a normal Chem class, there's obvious procedures you have to follow when handling dangerous things. But this is Mr. Wallace's class, and everything's all wacky.
The Bunsen burner is a very commonly used tool in the lab, so learning how to correctly operate the Bunsen burner is imperative. Before we show you how to light the burner, let's talk about its parts. The air valve is used to control the amount of oxygen consumed by the flame, while the gas valve controls the amount of methane gas and the size of the flame. Close the valve completely. Then turn each of them 3 full turns.
Very good.
Now you turn off the camera. Before connecting the hose to the hose with the gas valve and the Bunsen burner, check the hose for any cracks. Remember, kids, if you smell gas at any time during this procedure, immediately turn it off.
No, Ryan, there's gas coming out.
Nice job, Kevin. Kevin saves the day. Go, Kevin! After checking to make sure that your hose has no cracks, tightly connect the hose to the Bunsen burner and also to the outlet from the methane. Make sure that when you turn on the gas, after you check for cracks, it's time to light the Bunsen burner. To light the Bunsen burner, first light the match. Then, turn on the gas. To light the Bunsen burner, go with the match to the side, not directly down, as Ryan showed us now. Now you have now the Bunsen burner is lit. But you want to make sure that you have 2 blue cones. So Lynn's going to adjust the oxygen. Look at that, 2 blue cones. That's the ideal Bunsen burner flame.
Good job, Lynn.
When heating liquids in the test tube over Bunsen burners, you have to make sure that the test tube is always on a diagonal and never facing anybody. Also, you want the bottom of the test tube to be right at the tip of the bottom blue cone. Make sure you never, ever face the test tube against anyone else, for reasons like Ryan just showed us. When done heating the liquids, always put hot test tubes in a cooling rack so they can cool.
When heating other substances besides test tubes over a Bunsen burner, you need to have a wire gauze, a ring stand, and a ring. Kevin shows us how to correctly attach the ring to the ring stand, and then place the wire gauze over the ring. And then carefully make sure that you center the Bunsen burner under the ring stand.
Before heating liquids in a beaker, check the glass to make sure there's no cracks or stars.
Good.
When heating the liquids, possibly shatter and break the test tube and beaker. In case glass breaks, be sure to tell your teacher and contact them and ask for their help with cleaning it up. As Doreen's showing us, use a dustpan and broom to pick up the glass and put it in a broken glass box.
I don't know if that'll fit.
While in the laboratory, it is always important to wear the appropriate footwear. Never wear flip-flops in the lab. This is the right footwear to wear in the lab. Woo! Yay, shoes! Never wear heels while in the lab.
This sweatshirt doesn't count as a fume hood.
Don't wear baggy clothes in the lab. Never wear shorts or short skirts in the lab. Always wear long skirts or pants in the lab.
Never wear your jewelry in the lab. You don't want your bling to get ruined or discolored.
Always keep your hair tied back.
Good.
And then we should.
Before we get here. If there's something bad, it wasn't me.
Both of you guys.
When in the lab room, you should always be doing your work. Right, guys? You can help me out with my lab?
What are you doing, dude? Finish this freaking lab. I mean, like, I need that for my grade. Hello?
Proper lab behavior dictates that you should actually do your lab report while in the lab, not play video games.
When trying to insert glass into a stopper, never manually force something that does not want to go in by itself, or else accidents can happen. This is the proper way to insert a glass tube into the stopper, by using the teacher-prescribed lubricant. Carefully place them at the end of your tube where you want to insert, and smear it around. Then gently twist into the glass stopper. Good job, Sarah.
When in the lab, always adhere to proper lab protocol, and never, make paper airplanes out of your lab, like this, and then douse it in volatile liquid, and then slide over a Bunsen burner. Because that will most surely end in pain, serious injury, death, and fire.
It is proper lab behavior to never eat while in the lab, otherwise you may ingest chemicals unwantedly.
Before using a thermometer in any experiment, always check its temperature range to ensure that your thermometer won't explode. Cooling a thermometer, never shake it around. Thermometer safety is no joke. Never put a thermometer near the edge of a desk. Always keep it in the middle on a safe, stable surface, or in its own case. Yay! Safe!
Our friend Luke here is on fire. Now we're fire blanketing him. And he's okay!